Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we're gonna make a sphere. First you need to select the front plane, change your view orientation and click on sketch button. After which you need to draw the line which will be your diameter on the surface and set the dimensions of it. Dimensions doesn't matter, it can be, in our case it will be 3 inches. Now we need to select the line of symmetry between those 2 points to make sure that those 2 parts are equivalent and symmetric over the x-axis. You will click OK, but before that we just forgot that we make it a circle, so we need to use this tool, which we will use to create the hemisphere. We'll select this point, the constraint, and we will click on this point and at the origin. What it will do, it will bring this point that we just saw here to the origin. We will click OK, and after that we will click on a sketch and click revolve. Revolve around the axis. In our case, it's a y-axis right there. Here we go, you had created a sphere. Thank you and have a great day.